I am so excited today. Yes. Have you ever had problems with your thumbnails and you just don't know how to make them look as dramatic and as good as other creators? Let me tell you something. Today I'm going to share a secret sauce with you. Something new that came out so that your thumbnails can look exquisite. Okay? All right, let's start first though with how I used to do my thumbnails. I would go to ChatGPT first, get a prompt. I would ask for an expanded prompt, meaning I don't want any one word or bullet list. And ChatGPT would give me a prompt. I would tweak it. Sorry, that's the word I'm looking for. I would tweak it to my own liking. For example, this prompt that I got from ChatGPT had, instead of female African American traveler, ChatGPT had cartoon. I don't want no cartoons. But Leonardo too. Listen, these AI artificial intelligence tools, you have to control them. It's like a little kid. You have to tell this thing what you want. Okay. So, anyways, so I put in the prompt in Leonardo, and I created four of them already. Okay, this is what the four look like. All right, let me show you. This one I could use. This is about banned items on when you're going through airport security. And so I could use this and put something here like banned items. I would go to Canva and do that. So when I use the prompt to ask for this, it came up with cartoon. I don't want cartoons, so I wouldn't use this. Maybe some people would, but I don't want to use this. I want something that people can relate to. Okay, so I would not use these. And how Leonardo works is that it gives you 150 credits, and each time you create four thumbnails, it uses up 24 credits. So I'm just going to generate again and see what it comes up with, and then I'm going to share the secret sauce with you. So don't go anywhere. Stay with me, please. The secret sauce, and you have to listen to what I'm saying to you. See what I'm telling you about now? Leonardo is such a child that does not listen. Here we go again. Cartoons. Well, this one isn't. I could use this. Yeah, I could use this. And let's go to the next one. Cartoons again. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my secret sauce. And the ones that aren't cartoons, like for example, this one, I have a Faces channel called True Travel Treasures. So I have to use stock images in each frame, each segment. So what I would do is I would use, if you hear a noise, it's my fan. Sorry about that. I would use these as part of my stock images because then I wouldn't have to use up credits for those particular segments. And now I am going to share my secret sauce. So hold your horses, please. I'm so excited, you can tell. All right, let's go. Okay, for the purpose of timing, so that the video is not too long, I went ahead and I put in the same prompt that I used on Leonardo.ai, and I put it in here. This is the secret sauce, guys. VidIQ just rolled out this new feature where you can go in and you can put in prompts in in this area where it says describe your thumbnail idea. I'm not able to do all the steps right now because it gives you a limit per day on how many thumbnails you can create. So I went ahead and used my last session. So what we do first is we go here to create. After we log into vidIQ, and we go to thumbnails, and this is where it brings us on the thumbnail platform. And you put in your prompt here, and if you notice how powerful these thumbnails are compared to the one that we did on Leonardo.ai platform, tongue tied. Yes. And what I did how I got the same faces on each thumbnail, I went to here, and these are some of the faces that I used on previous thumbnails. So I chose this one right here, and the software, it did its magic. Okay, let me tell you, it did its magic. But you can also, this is what you can do. You can also go to video. If you are going to create a thumbnail for a particular video, you can come to this section right here, this feature, and you can select file and go to your computer or laptop or whatever and choose the video that you're trying to make the thumbnail for. And if you're trying to change a thumbnail of a video that is already on your channel, you can just paste the link right here and then continue, and it will do its wonders. Also, here's another feature, reference. You can go to your competitors. VidIQ will show your competitors' videos. You choose one of them where you like the thumbnail, and you would choose it. For example, this one, and you would click continue, and it has the thumbnail right here, and you click create, and it will create a similar thumbnail. You can also choose one of these faces to put on that competitor's thumbnail. Do you see the magic in this? Are you getting excited yet? I hope you are, because this will change the game, change the whole YouTube game, and it will make you have some pop-in thumbnails. Because look at this one, packing mistakes to avoid. This is an amazing thumbnail. All I have to do is to go to Canva and tweak it if I want to. This one also is a nice thumbnail. Let me click on it. Look how amazing this is. Okay, I'm creating a series, part 1 to 5, and it's all about banned carry-on items. So I can use each thumbnail in each of the series. You listen, don't sleep on VidIQ. The link is going to be in the description. I think you'll pay $1 for 30 days, and afterwards, if you want to keep it, you can do the paid version. It's only $20 a month. It is worth it, because if you're not as creative as the big channel owners, you can be lost in a sea of thumbnails, because when somebody's scrolling, this is a thumbnail that they will probably click on. It's clickable as long as I have the right title and the right description. So the thumbnail is the first thing that they'll see, and the first thing is what makes an impression. Of course, I'm going to get a small commission if you sign up using my link in the description. However, it will be at no extra cost to you. I'm just excited about it, sincerely, authentically, genuinely excited about this new tool. So don't sleep on vidIQ, people. If you want to grow your channel and get more views, this is the way to go. I also have another AI tool that I use called Pixel, Pikzel. But what I use that to do is I use my competitors' thumbnail and run it through the software, where it will change up things on the thumbnail, making it a little similar but not the same, if you understand what I mean. And I think I did a video on that previously. So look in my playlist and you will see the same. I go through the same steps of showing you how it works, like I'm doing here with vidIQ. Don't sleep on vidIQ, people. I'm so excited. All I have to do now is to save this image and down and go to Canva and put it into the Canva thumbnail measurement, give it a name, the name of the title of the video. I would give it that name and just download it, and I am ready to go. It's so simple. So don't sleep on it. And if you have found value in this video, and if I've made you as excited as I am, please click the like button to give me some love, and the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And check out my free video planning guide. and my free viral video cheat sheet in the description. And I also have a paid ebook that will guide you to the steps of how you can grow your YouTube channel from small to as big as you want it. All the links are in the description. This is your host, Cheryl. Until next time, it's bye for now, but only for now. See you soon. I'm crazy.